Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Zebra F-701 ballpoint pen, so stay tuned. But first, if you're new to the channel, please like this video and subscribe. It helps us out a lot and shows us that people like our content. So let's jump into the unboxing of the Zebra F-701. So this pen is supposed to be all stainless steel except for that little black ring up there. And it has a gnarled grip that you can't really see until we get it out, but it says so right there. And it's part of the 7 series. It's a ballpoint pen and it has a 0.7mm fine point tip. So we're going to take it out of the package here. Just like most pen packages that have a cardboard back, all you have to really do is get a corner here, and then you can just pull it off. Like that. So, this pen, I just took it out of the package here. Let me fix there we go. It's got a little bit more heft to it than the, let's see if I can get it out of my pocket here. I'll grab another one. Hang on a second. Okay, I'm back. It has quite a bit more heft to it, since it's all stainless steel, than the 301, which I have. I actually have it in 2 different sizes. I have it in the 1.6mm and the 0.7. But, this part of it's plastic along with that big chunk up there, so it takes the weight, it cuts down on the weight, where it was all except for that little black ring up there stainless steel. So this has got quite a bit more heft to it. Now, unlike these pens right here which have a click noise, this pen is very quiet. When you press it, you don't even know that you've pushed it. So it's a very quiet pen. It's close in size, but I think it's a little bit bigger. I really like it. Yeah, can't wait to use it. Now for these pens, you do kind of have to watch your pricing very carefully. The 701 was $7 at Staples, but we had a coupon, so we got a discount. But on Amazon you can get 2 of these for like $10. And then these, I purchased one of them for like $2 at one of the local bookstores. Excuse me. And then at one of the other local stores, for $3.99 I found a 2-pack that had 2 of the 0.7s. So you really got to watch your pricing on that. You can get these in 4 packs that have 4 different colors. You can also get them in 2 packs that have blue. I'm pretty sure you can do the same thing with these, but yeah, they all take the same refills, the F refills. You can get those on Amazon. You can get 8 of them for like $10. Now, as I previously mentioned, watch your pricing, and because this is all stainless steel, you can get ones that don't even have that little black ring up there, that have a metal ring instead. Since it's all stainless, it will cost more, but it is bigger and it's heavier and it's bigger around, so you have a better grip on it when you write. Now with the power of the electron microscope here, you can see the engraved F-701 on the pocket clip along with the Zebra logo, which is a lot better than the F-301, which has only the Zebra engraved into the thing, and then it's got some printing here. Now if you do shop for these in the actual store instead of online, you just look for the package that has the Zebra logo in the pen section of wherever you're shopping. And most of the time you can find them at just about any office supply store, grocery store that carries pens, any of that type of thing. So these are great pens. Check them out. Amazon, Staples, any of your office supply stores have them. If you'd like to see a video about why I got into these, hit the like button and comment and say you'd like to see that, and we'll do that. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to see lots more videos like this, and we will catch you on the next one.